Today, a sharp bodyline dent gone, no filler and no paint, and you get to see all the steps from start to finish. Hello everyone, my name is Ken with Dent Discount. I'm going to show you how I get a dent from looking like this to this. So straight away, this is a Rav4, and you will see it has around 10 inches of damaged real estate around the door handle. In my opinion, this dent will not come out 100% unless you remove that door handle. If you do not remove the door handle, what happens as you move the light back to finish the dent disappears behind the handle. I'm going to start the process off with a Porta power and a wedge spreader attachment. When I get behind the front half of that handle, most of the dent will come out in one push. Then I can begin to tap down the crown with my PDR hammer. Laugh out loud, it's a Craftsman PDR dent hammer. There is my manufacturer access point and plug. I will use this point to access for my PDR dent tools. Today is an ultra single bend 42-inch PDR dent rod. And I'm accessing right there behind that door handle. When using a PDR tool, if you can push and tap down simultaneously, the dent will come out quicker and cleaner, in my opinion. It's twice as fast. You're compounding two movements. Knocking down the crown by itself, eventually the depth of the dent will slow you down. Vice versa, pushing the dent, the crown will slow you down. Doing both at the same time, nothing slows you down, generally speaking. So I'm tapping down, and directly behind that location is bracing obstruction. So I mentioned earlier, the number one difficulty was the obstruction of the door handle. The number two difficulty is the obstruction of the brace. Removing the glass now, I can have a cleaner shot. You can see those access points, and I'm going to use all three of those access points in the brace closest to the door handle. So I have my whale tail there, and I'm going to begin pushing through that access point to get to the upper third of that dent. I'm going to do some perimeter pushing around, bringing up all the low spots. And I have my light there going in a horizontal, so I can read the crown. And I'm just going to do some knockdown work here, and you guys get to watch. Now into the finished product. This is a sneak preview of my next video. A Jeep Cherokee 24-inch smash with broken paint. Using my PDR dent light. See how it came out clean. Here's the before. Nice shot to the body line. See the crease below the door handle as well. And I'll give you a couple different angles. do your cross check. You can see it came out pretty nice. That's above the door handle and below the door handle. You can read the reflection there. Nice and flat. Another angle, 180-degree view from the last view. I have more videos that I need to edit and get out to you, so if you enjoyed the Dent content, hit the sub and notification buttons, and I will see you again in a few days.